Hey everyone, I am so excited, happy and proud to finally announce that Surge is now open. 500 founder licenses are now available. This is built from $140 million in CRO wins, designed to convert from day one. 3,000 plus experiments and 12 years of CRO data. One theme built from what actually works. Launch today with proven conversion frameworks, not guesswork. Other themes are pretty, whilst Surge is profitable. Let me show you Surge in less than 60 seconds. Okay, so you are joining me inside Surge. This is my Shopify store. It's so easy to install the zip. Then all you do is click edit theme. This is the default variant that you see here. Everything is editable. Everything is stylable on your color palettes at a click of a button. You can edit any settings you see here. You can add sections with ease. As mentioned, we have over 40 optimized blocks ready for you to drag and drop at the click of a button into your store, including things like a product benefit section, which you can then come and edit all the images, text, color, style, layout, again, at the click of a button. Or you can choose one of our beautiful presets. Now, I have been in this industry for 12 years and I have never seen demos or presets as sexy and as good as these and as optimized as these. Look at how good these look. Just incredible. Fully optimized for CRO, everything thought of, everything laid out for you. All you need to do is grab one of these presets and at a click of a button, you can have something looking like this for your brand and your niche. This is game changing. You see, this truly is the world's first CRO built Shopify theme. And inside Surge today, you are going to get the complete theme access. You're going to get 40 plus conversion tested blocks, 120 plus components. It's core store pages built on winning frameworks, CRO data engine powered by 12 years of insights, mobile first design systems and unlimited styling options with zero development or designers needed. Surge is more than just a theme, it's an entire conversion system. And our commitment to you is this will be the last theme you ever need, with a full roadmap, updates, support, and community. And today, as a founding member, you get every part of that system. As a founding member today, you get all of these bonuses 100% free. You're going to get full access to our Conversion Rate Academy. Join 4,000 other members as you network and help each other succeed online. You're going to get access to our weekly audit and Surge clinics. So 2 calls per week. One where we'll talk specifically about Surge updates, roadmaps, help, support, you name it, we will be there for you. And audit clinics where you can drop your landing pages, your store pages, whether it's Surge or not. And we're going to give you high impact, easy to implement changes that will boost your profit from customers. You're going to get full access to our CRO course, one of the most downloaded CRO courses in the world. Over 10,000 people have been through this course in the last year alone. You're going to get full access to our graphic packs and our tools that are easily drag and droppable into Surge to give it an added boost. You're going to get priority support and our entire knowledge base on Surge. Every single block and component is explained within that knowledge base. And if you need extra help, then you have a support system in place. But not only that, you will unlock access to niche-based variants. These are pre-styled themes and variants based on popular niches. So as I showed you in that quick 60-second demo, these are beautifully crafted and pre-designed so that you literally don't have to lift a finger. If you think one of those presets suits your niche or your brand, then grab it extra today and you'll get instant access to install it, and it will all be done for you. No need for designers, no need for developers, everything ready to go. Drop your products in and you are ready to sell. Everything you get today as a founding member is our core Surge system. So you're going to get the theme, the components, the blocks, 12 years of insights, mobile first designs, unlimited starting options for any brand, any niche with no development required, plus all of those 5 high impact bonuses and access to the variants. So who's this for? This is for brands doing over 10K per month, stuck at a conversion plateau and looking to make more money online. Drop shippers spending too much on apps, looking to replace all those costs because the majority of them are now built with Inside Surge. The beginner who wants to start professional from day one. Anyone looking to turn more visitors into buyers. The total bonuses alone are worth over $2,000. The total including Surge, over $20,000 worth of value. This would normally cost you to hire a CRO team for a year over $100,000. I know, I run one of the largest CRO agencies in the world. A custom theme like this, if you went to a developer, would cost you in excess of $20,000 alone. And all of these apps that are now included with Inside Surge would cost you at least $150 to $500 per month. But Surge will not even cost you $10,000. It won't even cost you today $5,000. Hey, it won't even cost you $2,000. Your price today as a founding member, if you act quick enough and get one of those 500 licenses, is under $500. This is limited to 500 founder licenses, and we have over 5,000 people getting this email and who are on this waitlist. So the reality is that less than 10% of the waitlist will get access to Surge, let alone our list of 50,000 other brands that we're going to send this to after the waitlist has been sent their email. Once the 500 licenses are gone, they're gone. So whether you're going to use it today or pick it up and use it in the future, grab your license now. When the 500 licenses are gone, the cart will close. The price will go up on future launches if we decide to open the cart in the future. These bonuses will go away and you'll lose that early access advantage. So how can you get Surge today, right now? But all you need to do is click the link below this video, choose your founder license, complete the checkout, and you get instant access to Surge and all of the bonuses. You're going to get an instant email with your zip file ready to upload inside your Shopify store. This is your moment. You've seen the data, you've seen how Surge works, you've seen everything that's included. Now you have a choice. You can keep guessing with pretty themes or launch with the same conversion frameworks. We've proven time and time again across $140 million of CRO wins. There are 500 licenses available. Now is your chance. You have a decision to make. Click below this video, grab your license, do not regret it, and I'll see you inside Surge.